Alright, this is my homeboy, Rockstar, and that is Octopus. Nasty as hell. This is the Hood Discovery Channel.
It's not Jello.
this is not no Jello. Niggas in the hood never seen something like this in their life. Nah, dog, you gonna eat the whole thing, dog. Alright, this is my boy Rockstar about to eat the octopus. Ew. Old octopus eating ass, mom.
Like, I want to throw up because I know it's an octopus.
But how does it taste though, yeah?
It's like chewy, like a gummy bear. But it don't taste like a gummy bear.
That is nasty, yo.
Can't eat this shit.
Yeah. Yo. Oh, hell no. I'm about to throw up myself, son. Hold on. Yes, a black man just ate some octopus, yeah.
Right, look at the fucking, it got a face. Look at this shit.
Yo, man, he looking like the dudes from Aliens and shit, yeah.
This shit still got a face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Surgery.
He said surgery. Hold on, let me zoom in, yeah. Oh, octopus eating ass, motherfucker.
So you niggas know that this is really a fucking octopus. It's not Jello. I wish it was.
That thing looked like a pussy, son.
Cut that shit off.